Hello there. Meet John. He is looking for products to sell online but finding the right manufacturer. Seller online is like looking for a needle in a haystack, as mostly you will find middlemen involved at different stages, thus increasing the final product cost. Fortunately, there's a better way. Introducing Wholesale Next, an e-commerce website which provides thousands of styles, made to order, to choose from. We are dealing mainly in corsets, alternative wear, ladies' breeches, ethnic garments, accessories and much more. Our customers' sales have increased over time, with our unique styles and competitive pricing. We cater all types of business, whether it is big or small, as we offer customized services to help you grow, such as drop shipping, wholesale and B2B inquiries, so you can relax. We provide technical drawings, pattern making, sampling, large and small production, packing and delivering at your doorstep. But perhaps the best thing of all is that we offer a flat discount rate, depending upon the account you choose. There are no hidden fees or surprise charges. Instead, you pay the same amount every month, so you can easily track your expenses. To know more about our services, just drop us an email at info@wholesalenext.com.